Meaning of invocation.
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 Invocation. The term invocation generally refers to a call for assistance or support, often from a divine or supernatural source. In religious or spiritual contexts, an invocation may be used to summon the presence or blessing of a deity or other spiritual entity. In some contexts, an invocation may also be used to refer to a specific ritual or prayer used for this purpose. Outside of religious contexts, invocation can also refer to the act of calling upon a particular concept or idea in order to emphasize or reinforce its importance in a particular context.